Hey hi students, today we are at BML Munjal University. यहाँ पर हम आए हैं to give you the tour of the university. This university is situated in 50 acres of the property and यहाँ पर आपको हर एक वो possibilities मिलेंगी, हर एक वो facilities मिलेंगी जो कि top universities में मिलती हैं. आपको बता दें, this university has an average package of 10 to 12 lakh rupees. So you can bet it as a good option for your upcoming colleges. तो मैं आपको यहाँ का एक टूर देता हूँ and you let me know in the comment section that do you like this university or not. तो अब हम आ चुके हैं कैंपस के अंदर. दिस इज द BML मुंजाल का कैंपस. यू कैन सी ऑल अराउंड. दिस इज द कैंपस और हम इसके टूर पे आपको लेके जाने वाले हैं. वी विल बी कवरिंग ऑल ऑफ इट. लाइब्रेरी से लेकर के मूड कोर्ट हो गया, हॉस्टल्स हो गया, एवरीथिंग वी आर गोना कवर इन इट. सो लेट मी टेक यू ऑल ऑफ इट. सो नाउ वी आर एट द रिसेप्शन सेंटर. यहाँ पर बच्चों का एडमिशन होता है. वहाँ पे हर एक चीज़ ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ होती हैं जो कि बच्चों से रिलेटेड होती हैं. दिस इज़ द रिसेप्शन एरिया एंड दीज आर द प्लेसेस जो कि हमें लेके जाती हैं टू द अदर अथॉरिटीज़, अदर प्लेसेस ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटी. सो दिस इज़ ऑल ऑफ इट. So right now I'm standing here at Center of Excellence, which was given by Dr. Brij Mohan Lal Munjal, and here we can see the history of Hero Motorcorp. So Hero as a company, how it developed, how it all came. Let me take you to the tour. Oh hi. You got me right. This is the library area. तो अब हम अंदर जाएंगे, आपको लाइब्रेरी दिखाएंगे कि लाइब्रेरी में ऐसा क्या है यहाँ के, what is special, what are the things that we look for in the library. So now let me take you to the moot court जहाँ पर future judge, future lawyers and everyone is prepared. अभी हम आ चुके हैं to the hostel area of the college. You can see this is the Bhagat Singh hostel. It has double occupancy and the triple occupancy for the students. And also if you look down, they have the mess area where the student get their food and every items provided. So this is pretty much. And that side you can also see there are the other hostels available for the students and also to the girls hostel. And also they have the facilities for the teachers which they provide because everyone come from a different part of the country. So they provide each and everything to them. So we are here at the Mechanical Lab Center. Here you can find out all the labs like robotic labs and other many of it. So let me take you inside. तो अब हम खड़े हैं वर्कशॉप एंड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग लैब में जहाँ पर हर एक वो चीज़ बनाई जाती है जो स्टूडेंट खुद बनाते हैं, खुद सीखते हैं. सो दिस इज द लैब. लुक, अब अगर कॉलेज है, कैंपस है तो सेमिनार्स, बहुत सारे ऐसे इवेंट्स, सब कुछ होंगे. तो दिस इज़ द प्लेस, दिस इज़ द ऑडिटोरियम ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटी जहाँ पर हर एक सेमिनार, हर एक ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ होती हैं जो कि कॉलेज के एस्पेक्ट के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है. Till now I've shown you pretty much everything. मैंने आपको हर एक चीज़ दिखा दिया. But now this is the term for the classroom. This is the classroom जहाँ पर बच्चे अपने फ्यूचर के लिए रेडी होते हैं. कॉलेज तो है बट वहाँ पे भी एक हैंग आउट स्पॉट होता है जहाँ पे आप फ्रेंड्स के साथ बैठ के खाते हो, पीते हो. सो मेरे पीछे है, दिस इज़ द स्पॉट वेयर स्टूडेंट्स कम and they enjoy every meal, everything, whenever they feel sad, whenever they want to enjoy, and XYZ factors in it. Right now, we are standing here at Atal Community Innovation Center. This center brings out a lot of new mind with their new startup plans and a lot of it. Here they research about it, they go with the ideas, flow and everything and bring out a new venture and a new community of something that we call as startup. So right now with us we have Devendra sir. Hello sir.
Hi.
He is the head in charge of the innovation center. So sir, we would like to ask you a few of the questions. So what is basically the purpose of this innovation center? Why is it being made?
So this Atal Community Innovation Center, which has been set up at BML Punjab University, this has been set up along with the support from NITI Aayog, Atal Innovation Mission and NITI Aayog. The basic purpose is to promote innovation and entrepreneurship amongst the community members. The intent is that we are based in a situation where we are close to Gurgaon, but yes, a little far away.
Yeah.
So our intent is that we promote innovation, we encourage creativity, innovation, tinkering, experimentation amongst the students. We encourage them to try new things out. And then as they develop further, we help them to convert those innovations into business ventures, into startups.
It was nice talking to you, sir.
My
Thank you
pleasure.
so much. Hi,
Hello, hi.
what's your name?
My name is Nyonika Bhagi and I'm a second year BA LLB student from BML Munjal University.
Okay. So could you please tell us about your experience in the college? What do you like about the college and what are the things that you do in the college and basically everything about it?
I think I like the people of the college more. I blended in very well since the first day of my college. Secondly, I think I like the faculty. The law faculty here is amazing. One of the best that I think Delhi NCR for sure has. I think these are two things that I like most about BML.
So, Nyonika, what's your favorite spot with your friends? Like you hang out there and you sit down there and like chat with your friends.
I think the best spot would be, I think MPH. MPH is the multi-purpose hall. We play badminton there on a daily basis, or we go to the sports ground, we play basketball. And obviously when we're not playing, we're chatting there, we're sitting there, and I think that's the area that we like to chill.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Vihan and I'm a second year law student at BML Punjab University.
Okay, so Vihan, can you please tell me about the university? What do you like in the university and what are the things that you like to do in the university?
I feel like the best thing I like about the university is that it gives a lot of opportunities even apart from academics, because like personally I love playing music. So I feel even the extracurriculars they give a lot of importance to, which I feel a lot of other universities don't. Owing to that, I feel one of my favorite activities to do around campus is being part of the band and playing with it. Yeah.
Okay, that's interesting. So can you please tell me कि आपका hangout spot कहाँ है? जहाँ पे अपने friends के साथ you just go out and hang out in the university itself.
Right. So I'd say my favorite spot in the university has to be the music room, obviously, because I feel like I spend most of my time in the music room, either playing the drum or the guitar, but mostly with the band. So that's my favorite spot. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Vihan.
No.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Sneha from second year law.
Okay, so Sneha, can you please tell me about what do you like about this college? What are the things that you like to do in the college?
Right. I like the crowd here. It really doesn't feel you are away from your home. It really feels a home away from home. So I would say I like the cultural diversity we have here.
Okay,
Right.
so I forgot about the point of view, but can you please tell me कि जहाँ पे आप अपने friends के साथ hang out करते हो? Like the best place ever.
right. So मेरी पूरी friend group we play a lot. So we either hang out during our playtime, we go to MPH, or we go eat. We are already there wherever you see us. We are near the food all the time. So we have hanging spots near. Hanging spots, we have smoothie, we have burger sign. So you'll find us there all over.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Sneha.
you.